Hi beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlotta if you're new here. In this video I'm gonna share with you how to make these beautiful hand fans in four simple steps. And you can obviously choose what design you make. I've already posted this a long time ago. We did this one in one of my live sessions, Saturday live sessions. And in this video, I will be making this lemon. So, keep watching. Summer 2020 is here and it's been quite hot over the last couple of days. It was 27 degrees Celsius yesterday here in London. And that's why I thought to make these hand fans in the art classes this week. So I'm back at running art classes in person. Now I get to mix it up a little bit. I run both art classes in person and here on Zoom and also on YouTube. And I thought because it's summer and it's hot, why don't we make another design of these hand fans? So in this video I'm gonna show you this lemon one. If you want to make the melon or the rainbow, you can obviously choose your own design. But in this video, I'll share this one with you guys. And you will need 3 papers. I will walk you through the 4 steps of how to make this hand fan. When you make your design, when you have a paper like this, the top side, the one that comes out here, is the shorter sides on a paper because you'll be folding it in half like that, if that makes sense. So remember to, when you make the design, make the top, the part that comes out, make that on these short sides. So if you're making the lemon, for example, the short side would be the green bits. So you put dark green out on the edge of the short paper. And then the red goes in the middle. And then you fold it after. Yeah? Got it? Good. Let me walk you through this in 4 steps. Thank you so much for watching all the way till the end. I hope this helped you and you got inspired to do some paper crafts. This can be done by kids, but also adults can make these obviously, and you can use them as decorations for your barbecue parties or maybe bring them as a gift. This is quite a fun gift if you go to visit someone during the summer. Bring them something that you made yourself. Anyways, if you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe and leave your comments below if you like this video. Let me know what you think. And also, have you made any other designs than these ones? One girl that took part of my Zoom classes from Switzerland made a lime. I'll share that here on the screen now. Let's pop her here. So she made a lime in green. You can also make a kiwi. Any kind of fruits really would look nice in this. So let me know what design you choose and how it turns out. Okay, see you in next video. Bye bye.
I just did one. You can do one more there.